Chapter 1, number 2. You're going to write an expression that represents the length of that green line. Making sure you combine all like terms. This is the green line. Notice that it is the total of this m and this m. So this m plus this 5m, together they make 6m. 6m would be the total length of this green line. B. Let's find the total length here. First, we have C and C, that becomes 2C. Then we have U and U, that becomes 2U. Notice this green part here has this blue part that was removed. Okay? The idea of remove is denoted with the minus. So we want to subtract this value of 10. So if we have the total line of 2C plus 2U, then subtract that blue part, we'll get what is left over, which is the green. So this expression of 2C plus 2U minus 10 is the equation that represents the green line for B.